Right, so we're at NAB 2016 in the Kinefinity?
Yes, Kinfinity. Yeah.
Okay, cool. And then I guess you're co-founder and CEO of Kinefinity.
Yeah, I'm a co-founder. Yeah.
Jihua.
Yeah, Jihua. Yeah.
Cool. I guess like this year you guys have a new camera that might be shipping in about a month or two.
It's rolling?
Yes, I am. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So, but yeah, sorry. Like this year we have like the Terra.
Terra,
Terra. Sorry, like, and then tell me about this camera. Actually.
Okay, Terra is the latest camera model, and it has two versions. One is a 6K model, one is a 5K model.
Oh, okay.
Well, yeah, and 6K model that means you can record the cinema images up to 6K.
Okay.
And its FPS is 4K 100 FPS, and 2K is 2K 200 PS.
I guess like, what's the advantage then of getting the 5K, or why is there a 5K camera and a 6K camera? Like, is the 6K is
it a difference?
Is just resolution? Or is
just
there,
a resolution. Okay.
Or the frame rates.
Yeah, you got good questions, and actually it's not just the resolutions.
Okay.
It employs two different sensors, and for the 6K it's a rolling shutter, and while the 5K model is a dual shutter mode. It means that it has a rolling shutter and global shutter.
Okay.
You can switch into global shutter or rolling shutters.
Okay. So like when it's global shutter, is it true global shutter or
true global shutter?
Okay. It's not just
it's not software sensor. Yeah,
okay.
So that it can capture the fast movement.
Wow. Okay.
In real global mode. So it's real global shutters.
Okay.
So,
Are there like disadvantages to like for sensitivity as well? Like for low light, is one better than the other?
And you mean the 5K or 6K?
Well, like both of them, yeah. Like how they compare, yeah.
Okay. And for the 6K model, actually the sensor is with the same sensor in our Kinemax 6K models.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's features very high image quality, even it's a rolling shutter.
I see.
And it's a wide gamma and color space is very good.
But I guess like is the question I'm still trying to ask is like say with Blackmagic, for example, like when they went from like having rolling shutter to like the one global shutter camera that they have, they lost dynamic range and low light got much worse. Is
actually, yes, everyone knows that for the same sensors, like the global shutter, and the image quality will drop a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, for our Terra 5K, for the global mode, and the dynamic range will drop 2 f-stops.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 13 f-stops.
Okay.
While for the rollings, there will be 15 f-stops.
I see.
But I think that 13 f-stops is also very reasonable and very good too.
Okay.
Yeah.
I guess how bad is the rolling shutter in rolling shutter mode?
Okay, and how bad? I think it's not too bad. Okay, especially when you're shooting at 4K or 3K, I think the rolling is also. Okay. Yeah, it's not obviously for the most cases. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Like, do you mind if I just like hold?
Okay.
That?
Yeah, and I think the Terra's most important feature is that it's a very lightweight and with a very small form factor. So that is perfect on gimbal or handheld or in drawings.
I guess how heavy is that?
Oh, heavy. Okay, it's for the camera body, and it's only 9 and 20 gram.
Okay, so under a kilogram.
Yeah, under 1 kilogram. So when handheld is feeling like a 5D2.
Right.
Yes.
But then I guess like it's not functional just by itself. You have to add stuff to it.
Actually, the whole camera body here can work because it features HDMI. And it's hardware things, hardware buttons.
Oh, okay.
So SSD slot, yes, the important thing is can
record. It's SSD
standard SSD.
Wow.
So it is compatible with the third-party SSD too.
I see.
So it is the only camera body can work.
Right.
Yeah. So when you on gimbal or drawings or handheld, that can work.
What about for power though?
Okay, power is DC power in.
Okay.
That means a plug. Cable in, or we will have a Kine grip. That is a power inside.
Okay.
So that you can, for handheld, there's no need external power.
Do you guys have like a module that, like, say, if I want to put a V-mount battery on it, or actually you even have one on there right now? Okay.
Yes.
So
since the camera is so small, there are many professional ports cannot integrate in one camera. So we develop an extension block. We call it as Kineback.
Okay.
So on the Kineback, there is 2 extra phantom power enabled ports, and also there's a SDI, dual SDI output, and sync for 3D or for VR, and DC out, DC output to external accessories and time code in and out.
Oh.
And also integrate a V-mount battery plate. So with the Kinefinity's, it turns into very professional cinema cameras.
Right. I guess how heavy is that module? Like, is it?
Okay,
is it
the
another
module
kilogram?
is also not. It's also not heavy. It's just 400 gram.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it's still very lightweight.
Yeah,
So
also
most of the
very
weight is like the lens
Yes,
and the battery.
yes, and also the camera will have the ProRes enabled. That means the recording format is ProRes.
Okay.
And KineRAW.
Okay.
Yes.
Actually, can you tell me a bit more about KineRAW? Like,
Okay,
what
KineRAW is a raw codecs.
Okay.
Our previous Kine cameras will feature the only KineRAW codecs.
Okay.
The KineRAW is developed by Kinfinity, and its compression ratio is 3:1.
Okay. Is it lossless compression?
Lossless compression.
Lossless.
Lossless compression.
Wow.
So it's very high image qualities.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
But it's one disadvantage is not well supported by the DI softwares.
Yeah, I mean,
but
like,
it can supported by Scratch.
Okay. So it's only Scratch support?
Only Scratch so far.
Okay. Is there a way to convert that raw, like transcode into a?
Yes. You got good questions. We have the transcoding firmware software as a KineStation.
Yes.
It's free. Yeah, on Mac and Windows, it can transcode it into Cinema DNG and ProRes. Yeah, as you wish.
Okay. And then say if I've got like a Intel-based like 6-core computer, can I would I be able to transcode in real time, or is it
not real time?
Okay. Is it a very slow transcode?
It's a little bit slow, but I think it's multi-threads.
Okay.
So that's
So
okay.
just throw more chips at it, and it'll go faster.
You'll get it go faster. So the computer more powerful, it's faster. Yeah.
Cool. No, that's really cool.
Okay.
Anyhow,
And
this was great.
it's a price point.
Yes, I know. That's the other thing too.
and shipping data. Okay.
Yeah.
And for the 6 models that will be available after 1 month.
Okay.
Yeah, for our pre-ordered customers, we will ship the camera and from the next month, at the end of the next month.
Okay.
And for the 5K model, that will be okay for 2 months.
Okay.
Yeah. And the price point is for the 6K $6K cameras, and it's priced from the 6K US dollars.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
and for the 5K, it's from 5K US dollars.
Jesus. Okay.
5,000 US dollars. Yeah.
So okay, like let's recap again the specs. So what kind of frame rates can we shoot up to, and what resolution?
Yeah, and for the 5K models, you can up to 5K 60 FPS.
Okay.
And 4K 100 FPS.
Okay.
2K 200 FPS.
Okay.
Yeah. So
And in RAW and ProRes?
and in ProRes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's for ProRes that for the most of the resolution and most FPS, they can record to ProRes. And for RAW or in RAW, that's okay.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Man, I actually maybe we'll talk about buying one of these in a bit. So yeah. Anyway.
Okay, and we just
yeah.
get the first awards for the Terra is that it's the best new camera of NAB 2016.
I didn't realize that they had that.
Yeah, this morning we
Okay,
just got
I see.
the awards. That's very happy.
Wow. No, congratulations.
Yeah. Oh, okay, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway,
Yeah.
thanks a lot.
Okay.